Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to delete links from your Instagram profile. Whether you're updating your bio or removing outdated links, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into the account where you want to make changes. Next, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. This is where you can make adjustments to your bio and other details. From the Edit Profile menu, select Links. Here, you'll see a list of any links currently added to your profile. To remove a link, simply tap on the specific link you want to delete. Then, select Remove Link and confirm your choice by tapping Remove again. And that's it. The link will be successfully deleted from your profile. You can refresh your page to ensure the changes have been applied. Thanks for tuning in. Now you know how to easily manage and delete links on Instagram.